first, before you get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give it a thumbs up.
Where are we at?
We're at the Crayolaexperience in Orlando.
And there's a ton of stuff.
Alright, so you stick the crayon in there. Okay. There's my crayon. What does it say, James? What are you working on, buddy?
Walking people.
Oh. What you doing, Mommy?
Selfie.
Opie's got a regular picture over there. There's Mommy on the wall.
Ready?
Mommy's over there looking like a dragon woman. And lips.
That looks mine right there.
Faith is a horse person. Grace is bunny rabbit. There goes Hope on the wall. Grace is flashing out. Mommy's over here. Oh, you put a crayon in and it melts? What did you pick?
Purple and pink.
What about you, Hobie?
Blue and orange.
Blue and orange. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? Put the crayon in there. Now put the crayon in. Now close the door. Oh, is it melting? Oh, it's melting into an emoji. Faith's gonna make a seahorse. She's gonna melt her crayon. What'd you get, Grace? Show me. That's cool. What emoji did you get?
I don't know.
Oh, that's cool. Got a seahorse. That's cool. Making, James?
A sniper.
A sniper shark.
No.
Melting the wax. Whoa, you got a big head, dude. Back up.
Now this type of equipment dates back all the way to the early 1900s, and Crayola still uses some of these machines in their factory today. Scarlett, Turk, and I are so excited to show all of you the things we do to make sure every Crayola crayon is safe, strong, and super special. That we at Crayola like to call pigments. Today we'll be using red to make crayons that look like our good friend Scarlett.
And some of the same pigments used to make Crayola crayons are used in everyday things.
Like what? That shrinking leaves a small hollow spot in the middle of every crayon, which actually makes it a whole lot stronger.
I'm hollow inside. I can't see. I think I need an X-ray machine.
You're jumping ahead, Turk. At the real factory, all of our crayons go through an X-ray and a metal detector, but at the
How do you get them out? That collection tray lifts them out of the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Screaming green.
Now, I'm going to line up the holes on the table with the holes on the tray, and then...
When I count to 3, let's all shout happy birthday to the newborn. Ready? Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Now each hole has a brand new crayon. And look, they're already sharp.
On this side of the table is going to go all around the holes to help cool and harden the wax inside.
Blizzard blue! Our newborns aren't dressed yet. They're probably freezing after getting that ice water poured on them. Let's go check on them.
Oh, then the tucker tucks the crayon into the label, like this.
Oh, it looks so cozy.
Crayola box and opens it. Then this plunger plunges 4 crayons into the bottom of the box. The flaps get all folded up, and then we have a brand new box of 4 Crayola crayons that are ready for all of you to use. Isn't that cool?
So, Hopi, what was your favorite part of the Crayola experience?
The crayons, making the crayons.
Making the crayons? What about you, Faith?
I think making the seahorses or
The spin art?
the spin art.
Okay. So what was your favorite part, James?
Hold on. Rock and paper.
Rock and paper? Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh? The part was making the labels for the crayons. I made one that says Brian loves Joyce. That's my wife. Other than that, everything was pretty cool. A lot of history about crayons. So what was your favorite part?
I don't know. This whole thing.
The what?
I don't know. This whole thing was fun.
The whole thing was fun?